Welcome! In front of me I have a XIAOMI Mi Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and we can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After you open the menu, scroll through it and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system and select it, and here select the reset option and then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the factory reset process. So let's tap on the check mark and wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.